Hey everyone, this is Chris once again, and I just wanted to show you guys my two cats because we got a new cat. His name is Kona. He's right here. Hi, hey, say hello to the camera. Hey, say hello to the camera. He is a couple months old. Haven't thought of a good name yet. Not so good with names, but there's our cat Missy. Hello, fat cat. Yeah, if you guys wanted to see my cat or cats, then here they are. Hi. Okay, I'll put you back. Kona. Okay, I'm gonna stop bothering him. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and have a happy, good day. We'll see you guys later. Say bye, Kona. He's sleeping. Say bye, Missy. She don't give a fuck. Alright, bye, guys.